Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. Maiden time for my F-35 70mm. A little nervous because I know how this bird has a reputation for being a little wild. So we'll see. Running a 6S 80C discharge 4000 Sokokin. We'll talk about where I have it placed after the flight. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, let me get back here with my camera, baby. All right, now you're gonna bring this plane in at a high alpha sort of landing. Hopefully we won't get those birds. Supposed to be a very efficient plane. All right. Like I say, we're going to try low rates. I get the feeling I'm going to end up switching to high rates pretty quick. All right, timer set for 3.5 minutes. Here we go. Gear up. Yeah. All right, she definitely needs some up trim.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yeah. Switching to my mid rates. She's very touchy. Very touchy. All right.
Gear down.
Okay, yeah, she's a handful.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. Thinking mid rates are going to be the way to go. All right, let's go back down here. Try your best to stay on your center line if you can, because it helps with your orientation. If you stay on the center line, you got the most runway for mistakes. All right. Taking off on mid rates now, which for me are 50% throws with a 20% expo.
Low rates, high rates.
I had no expo dialed in. That might be part of my problem.
Low rates, high rates.
Okay. Yeah, I did on everything else, but I didn't have any expo on the aileron. So now I should have a lot less of a problem. Still gonna go with mid rates again, 1.5 minutes. Here we go. Yeah.
Low rates. Mid rates.
Needs a little bit of left aileron. All right, we're gonna bring her
1 minute.
full speed, and then we're gonna go up with her. vertical.
Gear down.
All right. She slows down pretty good though. I gotta give her that. She does slow down pretty good.
30 seconds.
Hold on. We go around again. Then I was just a little too high. And see, this is where a bigger plane is better because you can see it.
10.
Yeah, I'm liking that approach better.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, let's lift underneath the wing and kept her on the runway.
Time expired.
All right. All right, I ended up in mid-rates as my preferred. Oh, and something else she's got that I didn't showcase.
Braking.
Didn't think about it when I was landing.
Brakes on.
And what do you want to hear before you ever touch a plane?
Prop secure.
Prop secured, right. Last thing you want, I know it's an EDF, but if you have a prop plane, you don't turn it off and you cut your finger off, you go to the emergency room, hey, look what I did with my toy. Kind of dumb. Makes you feel stupid. But us men, we have a tendency to do a lot of dumb things. All the women are going, amen, brother. All right, 50% left on a 3-minute flight. So with a 4,000, 50%, with throttle management, you could get 4.5 minutes with throttle management. With a 5,000, maybe 5 minutes if you stay out of the power too much. If you're gonna hot rod the whole time, keep it at 3 minutes. Well, folks, that is the FREEWING F-35. That was the maiden flight. Give you a closer up look of the gear. Whoa, as I drop the plane. Yeah, I'm definitely not spitting polish, am I? Anyways, there you go. That's the F-35, folks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless each and every one of y'all. And don't forget, safe family and friends, and jets. Bye-bye.